Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Leonardo laughing filter on Instagram. And then, of course, you can record a video of yourself or take a photo of yourself with this filter. Then go ahead and post it to TikTok or Snapchat or any other social media that you want to post it to. Anyhow, all you have to do to get this filter is go over to Instagram. You want to go over to your search, and you want to search for an account called virtually.andything. So you can just pause the video right here and you just want to search exactly what I search and then click on the person's page. And then you want to go over to filters, and we do have to scroll down a little bit on here. And then you'll see the Leonardo laughing filter right here. So you can go ahead and click it. And then of course you try it right here, or you can download it and save it to your camera. So then you're able to record your own videos. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out by showing you guys how to get this filter. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.